Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at a multi-pen that I'm super excited to check out. This is the Lamy Accent 4 Ballpoint multi-pen, and I'm really curious to take a look at this one. Hopefully it's not going to be disappointing. So let's see. Alright, I can tell you right away, it feels pretty substantial. It feels like it's a weighty pen, and there's nothing shaking inside it. Two definite perks. Alright, so the release mechanism is on the side. I'm not super crazy about that, having the release mechanism on the side. You have your eraser here. So let's take a look. So we've got the Lamy Accent 4. And this is one of those multi-pens where it's like gravity selected, where whatever color you have up when you push it down is the one that gets selected. So like if you want blue, you have blue facing up, and you push down and you get the blue one. Lamy Accent 4. And then the black one. Lamy Accent 4. The black one's actually kind of hidden right there. It's like right under the clip. And lastly, we have the mechanical pencil part. Oops. Apparently we have me not able to avoid hitting it. Lamy Accent 4. Alright, so it doesn't write too bad. Now, one big drawback from this is a relatively expensive multi-pen. It's in the like $60 to $70 range, which is kind of a deal breaker sometimes when it comes to multi-pens. So, let's see. This looks like it's taking standard D1 refills. So if you have some refills that you prefer over the Lamys, you can easily swap those out. So that's not too bad. And it should be relatively easy to refill. So, okay. It feels well made, and it feels well put together. I'm not crazy about the release right here being on the side, because I don't know if y'all noticed it or not. When I was fiddling around with it, I accidentally hit it once already when I released it, when I was like grabbing it. So, that's not ideal. I don't know. It's cool looking. I mean, it has a definite nice look to it for sure. I just don't know. I don't know if it's worth the money for it. I feel like, I know I've mentioned this before, but my favorite multi-pen is the Skillcraft B3 Aviator. And this is 3.5 of those. 3 or 3.5 of those. So, is this worth 3 of them? I don't know. It's got a, if you're looking for a multi-pen that has a distinctive, like, a different style and kind of a, I don't know, almost an elegant style, this has that. I mean, like, this is a nice looking pen. It's just, and it doesn't write too bad. I mean, like, they're Lamy refills, so they're going to be pretty good. Not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments. If any of y'all have tried these, or if you have a multi-pen that is on the elegant side that you think is far superior to the Lamy Accent, let me know in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for things you think I should take a look at, you can also let me know down there as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.